Hi, I'm JP, and today we're going to talk about the Moto Carb Sync tool. Comes in this nice kit. You have your gauges, all your accessories that go to it. One point I'd like to make with this is that if you get your gauges and you look at them and they're not all on zero, like this last one here, don't worry, don't send it back. These are easily adjustable. All you do is you will turn the plastic cap, remove that, take a small flathead screwdriver. You'll see that there's a flathead screw that's in there. All we're going to do is turn to get this to adjust. And now we're back on zero. Take your plastic cap, put it back on, turn, and now you have all zeroed out gauges. So now that you know everything that's in this kit, let's put it to use on this bike over here. All right, now let's show you how to use this Moto Carb Sync tool on this 2000 Kawasaki ZXXR project bike. All right, we've already hooked up the first three lines for you. The fourth one is the exact same way. On a Kawasaki, they already have pre-made adapters built into the carb boots. If your carbs have screws, you'll have to use the pre-provided Carb Sync tool adapter rods that come with it. We don't need it in this one, so we'll set that off to the side. We're going to take the last number 4 tube, apply it onto the carb boot adapter. Next, we're going to make sure that we use the Moto auxiliary tank because we have to have gas to get this to run. We turn it on. That way we have fuel that's flowing. Next, we're going to turn the bike on. All right, now that we have the bike started, you'll see that your gauges are fluctuating. That's why you have a valve here. You turn the valve slowly until the needles don't bounce as strongly. You still want a little bounce to see what your baselines are going to be like. Next thing you know, we're going to go down to the carbs. Every carb's different. They do have sync screws. There's a screw here for the 2 and 4, and another one down here for 1 and 3. We'll take a flathead screwdriver, and as we turn, you'll see that these gauges will fluctuate. And as they're reading out, then you know that one's ready to go because they're evened out across the line. 1 and 2. Come down. That's all there is to it.